Hello friends, are you ready to learn the ABCs with me? Let's sing together. A is for apple, so yummy and red. B is for ball, let's play instead. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof, wow. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish, swimming all day long. G is for grapes, a tasty, sweet treat. H is for hat, isn't that neat? I is for ice cream, a summer delight. J is for jug, and K is for kite. L is for lion, the king of the land. M is for mango, the best in my hand. N is for nest, where birdies all sleep. O is for orange, a secret to keep. P is for parrot, Q for a queen. R is for rabbit, the fastest I've seen. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, a beautiful sight. U for umbrella, V for a van. W for watch, I'm a big fan. X for xylophone, Y for a yak. Z is for zebra, with stripes on its back. Yay! You did it! Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.